Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to continue our previous lesson that we've been doing from the last 2 weeks. As I said in the previous lesson, it is a very ginormous topic. Therefore, we're going to do a couple of examples today so as to cover every aspect of the topic, or I would say every domain of the topic, and we'll finally wind up the topic. So the first example that we're going to do today is we are given this random figure, and what we need to find out ABC, like this angle, and also we are given angle C, which is 140 degree. So how are we going to find angle ABC, like this angle? We're going to divide this figure into 3 sub-figures. Like this makes a right angle triangle, and also this makes a rectangle, and this is a right angle triangle. Let's say this is X, and this leftover part in the figure, this is also a rectangle. Also, all the vertices of a rectangle, form a 90 degree angle. All vertices of rectangle form a 90 degree angle. So that means this is 90 and this is also 90, and this one 90 and this is also 90. So let's emphasize on what is given to us. We are given angle C, which is 140 degree. So let's say angle BCX, like BCX, and XCD is equal to, like BCX and XCD, this is BCD. Like these two angles form BCD, and also we are given BCD, which is 140 degree. Like angle BCX, like angle BCX plus XCD is equal to angle BCD, like this whole angle. So angle BCX plus angle XCD is 140 degree, which is given to us. So, and also we knew that all the vertices of a rectangle form a 90 degree angle. This is also a vertex of this rectangle, so this is also 90 degree. That means XCD. So BCX plus XCD, which is 90, is equal to 140. So BCX is 140 minus 90. So BCX comes out to be 50 degree. That means BCX, this angle is 50 degree. So this whole angle makes 140 degree. That means like 90 plus 50 is 140 degree. But we need to find out angle ABC. In this right angle triangle, like BCX in right angle triangle, BCX is 50, like BCX plus BXC, which is given to us, it is a right angle triangle, like BXC plus CBX is 180 degree. By property, sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So BCX we just found out, which is 50, and BXC which is 90, and CBX, like this angle CBX, that we need to find out, is equal to 180 degree. So this implies 140 plus angle CBX is 180 degree, and angle CBX is 180 minus 140, so that means 40 degree. So this angle is, like this angle is 40. But we need to find out angle ABC, like angle ABC, which is angle ABC, which is the sum of CBX also. This is 90 degree, like the part of B is 90 degree. So that means angle ABC comes out to be 40 plus 90 is 130 degree. So angle ABC is 130 degree. So our second example is, we are given this figure, and also we are given two parallel lines X and Y, where P is a transversal line that intersects these two parallel lines. P is a transversal line, and this transversal line P makes an angle 100 degree with parallel line X, and also this transversal line makes an angle D with parallel line Y. And we know that corresponding angles between the parallel lines, they are equal. So that means if this is T and this is also T, by property corresponding angles, like these two, let's say this is 1 and this is like 2, so 1 and 2, they are equal by property corresponding angles. And we also know that angle made by a straight line is 180 degree. So let's consider X, which is a parallel line, as straight line. So 100 plus angle D is 180 degree. So angle D 180 minus 100, so D comes out to be 80. So that means this angle D, or we can say angle 1, is 80 degree. And what we need to find out, angle D and angle G. We already got the value for angle D, and we need to find angle G now. Moreover, we know that opposite angles made by two intersecting lines, they are equal. Let's say this is the first line x, and this line, let's consider this line as q, and their point of intersection, like the point of intersection of line x and line q is a. If this is G and this is also G, because they are opposite angles and they are equal. And let's say this is like A, B, and this point C. So this portion, like A, B, C, this makes a triangle. So in triangle ABC, we know that sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degree. That means this angle G, D and 90 degree, these three angles sum up to 180 degree. So angle D plus angle G plus 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. And we got the angle D as 80 degree. G that we need to find out, plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. So angle G plus 170 is equal to 180. So angle G is equal to 180 minus 170. So it comes out to be 10 degree. So angle G is 10 degree, and we already got an angle D as 80 degrees. So these two angles that we were required to find out.